everyone, our project entitled as Measurement of Adulterants and Nutrients Present in Milk under the guidance of Shilpa Chippalakatti, Assistant Professor, Department of ECE Science. So this project was made by Sahana Yam and my co-teammates are Ramna, Rakshita, Pooja. Hi guys, this is the proposed system of measurement of adulterants and nutrients in milk. So coming on to the LCD display which is present here, it is 20x4 LCD display which will display the measured output. So coming on here, we have a switch which will be triggered by the 12 volt power supply, and this is the push button which will initiate the operation. So we have two LEDs here. The first one is the green LED and second one comes the red LED. So green LED indicates the pure milk and red LED will indicate the adulterated milk. So going on with the integrated part of the system, coming to the microcontroller that we have used here, this is Arduino Atmega 328P which has the operating voltage of 5 volts and it has 14 digital pins and 6 analog pins. We have a sensor named as DHT11 which is basically gives the output of the temperature and humidity present in the milk which is poured here. We have a gas sensor named as MQ sensor. So this MQ sensor has a family of sensors for detecting variety of gases like formalin, alcohol, many. So basically we have focused here on detecting the formalin gas which is present in the milk. We have moisture sensor which is present here which will detect the amount of moisture which is present in milk. So as you can see, we have a LDR present here. So in order to detect the fat present in the milk, there is no specific sensor present. So we have used the LDR sensor in order to detect the fat content present in the milk. We have here the pH sensor which will detect the pH of the milk. In order to detect the viscosity factor of the milk, we have used the viscosity sensor. We have voltage regulator which is present here which will regulate the voltage which is supplied to the pH, and we also have relay which is present here. We have here a rechargeable battery which is used to give the power supply. As we can see, to illustrate the operation, we have poured the milk over here between the sensors which are interfaced, and we have also poured the milk in the pH container. So now we are going to illustrate the operation by triggering with the power supply as we have said by the rechargeable battery. Now we are going to switch on which will show you the welcome. So now we will trigger with the push button which will show the first result will be here with the green color LED. Now going on to the analog value, as you can see we have fat, gas, moisturizer, so and then viscosity, temperature, pH. So these are the factors that we are going to determine. Here the fat is 4.66 which is considerable range, and gas is also not exceeding the limit. As you can see, moisture which should not be exceeding 80% is proper here. pH which should not exceed 7.5, it's also good here. Viscosity is also good, considerable. Temperature which should not be above 30 is good. So this is about the proposed system of adulteration detection present in milk which is named as measurement of adulteration and nutrients in milk.